Is your budgie looking a little scruffy? You're not alone. Many budgie owners struggle with keeping their feathered friends looking their best. But what if I told you that grooming your budgie can be a fun and rewarding experience for both of you? Grooming isn't just about looks. It's essential for your budgie's health and happiness. If you've noticed your budgie's feathers looking a bit messy or unkempt, you might be wondering, how can I help my little friend feel more comfortable? Well, you've come to the right place. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share a secret tip that will make grooming your budgie a breeze. Trust me, you won't want to miss this, especially if you're tired of struggling with those pesky feathers. Have you ever tried to groom your budgie only to have them squirm away or get frustrated? It can be a challenge. Let me know in the comments if you face this struggle. I've been there too. Let's dive into why grooming is so important. Budgies naturally preen their feathers, but they need a little help from us too. Regular grooming helps remove dirt, loose feathers, and prevents matting. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your feathered friend. You know, grooming a budgie is a bit like trying to give a cat a bath. Challenging, but totally worth it. Just imagine a tiny bird with a tiny comb. Now, let's get into some essential tips for grooming your budgie. First up, create a calm environment. Choose a quiet space where your budgie feels safe and secure. This will make the grooming process much smoother. Tip 2, use the right tools. A soft brush or a small comb works wonders for removing loose feathers. Just be gentle and patient. Your budgie will appreciate it. Tip 3, regular baths. Budgies love to bathe, and it helps keep their feathers clean and healthy. You can provide a shallow dish of water or mist them lightly with a spray bottle. Just make sure they enjoy it. Hang tight, because in just a moment, I'm going to reveal that secret tip that will transform your budgie's grooming routine. Did you know that budgies can actually recognize their owners? That's right, building a bond through grooming can strengthen your relationship even more. Here's the secret. Incorporate a little bit of playtime into your grooming routine. Use a favorite toy or treat to make grooming a fun experience. This way, your budgie will associate grooming with positive feelings, making it easier for both of you. Let's recap. We discussed why grooming is essential, shared tips for creating a calm environment, using the right tools, and the importance of regular baths. And finally, I revealed the secret to making grooming a fun experience for your budgie. I remember the first time I tried to groom my budgie Kiwi. He was so squirmy, but once I started using treats and toys, he actually started to enjoy it. It was a game changer. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more budgie care advice. Do you have any grooming tips of your own? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you.